Hello again, welcome back to the garage. And as promised, it's Saturday morning and I'm going to Donegal along with Rick. And it's just started raining, so the forecast isn't great, I have to say. I'm kind of torn. I might put on my waterproofs now. I've got an oversuit there which you've seen me in before, so I'll probably pop it on because I've got nearly 70 miles to go to get down to Ricky's house, and I wouldn't want to be wet by the time I get there. That's 10 litres for 122 miles. I'll work that out whenever we get back. Right, let's go. Look at this for a shambles. The main road's closed in a Skillen at 5 Mile Town. I thought they would have had at least something to get through the first wee bit, but no. And it's pissing. Fuck's sake. There's no way you can get right for Clappy or nothing, no?
No, you'll have to go down that there way, that straight road there.
Just that on the left?
Back road like, We're here to 7 o'clock.
So the bright sparks in the DOE road service send us down a country lane. 40-foot lorries, HGVs, down a country lane, and all the mud in the country, every grass verge has been just churned up and fired out into the middle of the road. And now look. Absolutely brilliant, isn't it? Looks like we're going to have to get the bucket and sponge out when we get to Rick's. There's the hose. Hey, my son. Cooper. Where's my fry? Okay. Slightly better now, but it's still going to need a lot of work when we get home. I couldn't have driven any further with a bike that dirty. Rick's BM, absolutely immaculate, of course. Immaculate. Great, great. Bye. Here we are in the Diamond in Donegal town. I have taken my one-piece suit off, which I don't know if it's a good idea or not. As soon as you take it off, you know you'll end up getting soaked. Well, we've stopped here in Donegal at the Super Value to get a quick snack to stay us out until we get to the hotel in Gortahork. The weather's fantastic. Whenever the sun's out, it's warm, beautiful day. Just the odd shower to contend with, but I think we're doing rightly. here we are. What have I got? GS and KTM. And they're kissing. It seems my 1989 Yamaha is very much out of place here.
You're not doing your wee movies, are you?
Oh God, I have to have something to keep my 1,000 subscribers. Yes, that's right, 1,000 subscribers. Just turned the 1,000 the other day. Thanks very much. I'm liking this. They've even got specially adapted shelving for motorcyclists. Perfect fit for 2 panniers. Helmet. Right. Let's go get some beer. Right.
We're going to sit, or we're going to sit in the corner. I don't know.
This is the foyer and reception. The perfect setting for a special day, and this is the special day. None of us are getting married, I grant you, but this is special enough. Getting out with the lads for a few pints of Guinness. Right, guys, here we go. Cheers. Sláinte. Yep. Aye, 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 aye. Ooh, look at that sinking down. But you could do Guinness in one. You could.
Spicy?
2 chicken burgers of fish. Some turkey and ham.
It started off with Cleland. Cleland was talking to him, saying my dad worked in Killiger. And he says my brother worked in Killiger.
That's 224 miles since the last fill up. And 16.53 litres. We're in Strabane now. This is where we're all going to head off. Ricky's going that way. We're going up over the mountains to Plum Bridge, then I'm turning right and these ones are going left. And we'll see them again in another 6 months or so. that, as they say, is that. We're back home again. It's 11:45 stroke 1:45 because the hour changed. We lost an hour today. It's now British summertime. So I think it's actually about 1:45. Yeah, but it was quarter. I hate the hour changing. Anyway, we're back home. Let's have a look at the bike. It was a wee bit cold coming home, I have to say now. Mileage, I've worked it out that we did about 310 miles in total. So, we'll get unpacked and get warmed up. And until the next time, all the best.